This is DJI Air 3 and today I'll show how you can check how much flight time is left in this drone. So while flying your aircraft inside the DJI Fly app, simply tap at this battery indicator here, and as you can see it will tell you how many minutes or how much time you have left until the drone will automatically apply or enroll the return to home protocol. You also have the amount of time until your drone is going to perform the forced landing, as well as how much time remains until the battery is going to be depleted all the way and the drone will simply run out of power entirely. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.